Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M7 Plus, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find the home screen. Then tap on System Navigation, and as you can see here we've got the gestures. I've got them currently applied, so let me quickly change to the buttons. I also wanted to show you that here you can customize the buttons. You can reorder back button and the recents, automatically disable navigation buttons, and you can manage the shortcuts. Alright, so let me set the gestures. We have to simply tap on this animation, and now your device will ask you whether you'd like to learn the gestures, so go through the tutorial. If you wish, you can do it, just tap on Learn. I don't want to do it because I will also explain to you how to use the gestures. Normally, instead of the 3 buttons, you will have this line which is responsible for some gestures. You can hide it if you wish. Here you've got also the gesture confirmation. So basically, sometimes you will have to confirm the gestures, like the back gesture, for example, during watching a video or playing a game. Here you can also manage the shortcuts. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, and if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger, and the same situation from the left side. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short. So something like that. And if you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture, but hold your finger somewhere here. So something like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.